Welcome to our step-by-step tutorial on setting up your first Google Ads campaign. In this video, we'll walk you through the process of creating a campaign from start to finish, so you can start driving traffic to your website and reaching new customers. The first step is to log into your Google Ads account or create a new one if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, click on the Campaigns tab to get started. From here, click on the New Campaign button to create a new campaign. You'll be prompted to choose the type of campaign you want to create. For this tutorial, we'll focus on a search campaign, which displays ads on Google search results. Page keys. Click on the search campaign type to get started. Next, you'll need to fill out the campaign information form. This includes things like your campaign name, budget, and bid strategy. You'll also need to choose your target audience by selecting the geographic location, language, and devices you want to target. One of the most important steps in setting up your campaign is choosing your keywords. These are the words and phrases that your ads will show up for when someone searches for them on Google. To organize your keywords and ads, you'll want to create ad groups that group related keywords together. Next, you'll need to create your ad copy. This includes writing compelling headlines and descriptions that encourage people to click on your ad. Finally, you'll need to set your bids for each keyword. This determines how much you're willing to pay for each click on your ad. Once you've completed all of these steps, take some time to review your campaign and make sure everything looks good. Then, click on the Save and Continue button to launch your campaign. Congratulations! You've just launched your first Google Ads campaign. Now it's time to start tracking your performance and making adjustments to optimize your results. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on how to get the most out of Google Ads.